Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale real estate transactions with eNotaryLog step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current real estate transaction volume. Identify areas where manual processes can be improved or automated. Research eNotaryLog to understand its features and capabilities. Create an account on eNotaryLog to get started with the platform. Familiarize yourself with the user interface and navigation. Upload your documents to the eNotaryLog system for electronic notarization. Select the appropriate notary based on the requirements of your transaction. Schedule the remote notarization session that suits both you and your clients. Communicate clearly with your clients about the eNotaryLog process. Prepare all necessary identification and documentation for the session. Guide your clients through logging into eNotaryLog for their remote session. Ensure that all parties are present and prepared for the notarization. Monitor the remote session to provide assistance if needed. Complete the notarization process as instructed by the eNotaryLog system. Once completed, download and store the notarized documents securely. Analyze the time taken for transactions before and after implementing eNotaryLog. Gather feedback from clients about their experience using eNotaryLog. Use the insights gained to refine your process further. Continue to invest time in learning new eNotaryLog features as they become available. Regularly assess your transaction volume and efficiency improvements achieved through eNotaryLog. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.